Yeah? Perfect. Good job. So, the bus is working now.
Yeah.
But we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes! Wait here. A bucket and a sponge.
Oh.
Too small?
Yeah, I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Dad.
Hello, Doggy.
Hello, Jack.
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on.
Hello, how's it going?
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Let's love sign. Bed. Bed. You sign. Bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh!
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No.
The right hat?
No. No, yeah. Oh dear. The
I'm really good at making ice cream.
Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh. Tell me it's cold. It's cold.
Let's love sign. Cold. Cold. You sign. Cold. Good. Cold.
Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. spoons.
Spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you for all your help. Bye.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh.
No. All right, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
I'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, Joe.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's a tummy.
Don't move. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
I'll see.
We'll go and we'll come back.
Joe.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes! I have a board.
You have no trucks.
No trucks for the wheels on the skateboard. Truck! My second delivery! Wait here! Trucks!
I don't think they're the right trucks, Joe. I think they're the trucks you need, man.
Trucks.
Yes, Joe. Same as these ones. Oh, man.
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Gas? My third delivery! Wait here!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Gas!
Thank you, Joe.
Now, can we have a fizzy drink?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can, yeah?
Yeah.
Drink, yeah.
Oh, it's time for me to go. I've had a great day. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.